This is too much.
Summer, wait. Ooh, drama.
You've been gone for so long, and then you come back and spring all of this on me?
First, you tell me you love me. He told you he loved you?
That's like a relationship milestone.
So, you're mad that I told you how I feel?
No, I'm mad that in the same breath, you ask me to change my entire life and become a
What? What did he say?
Valentine. Yeah, that's it.
Wait a minute, that doesn't make sense. Aren't you two dating? Isn't it assumed that you would be his Valentine?
Octavia, do you mind? I don't really want an audience while having a private conversation. My life is not a show for your amusement.
Well, it's pretty amusing right now.
Octavia!
Okay, fine, I'm going. Oh, and if you see Nigel, tell him, well, just make up something, will you? Ta-ta!
Maybe I should go too. This isn't exactly the homecoming I was expecting.
What? I thought we were in the middle of something. And how did you think I was going to respond?
I don't know. Maybe that you felt the same way and wanted to be with me as much as I want to be with you.
Damon, you were asking me to give up my life. Literally. Be chased by vampire hunters, outlive all the people I love.
Not to mention part alien. I probably can't even turn into a vampire.
What? Summer is part alien? Thanks for the laundry list of reasons why you can't.
I can't believe how selfish you are being right now.
I gotta go.
Go ahead, because that's what you do.
Wow, Summer, you're gonna hold that against me? When you're the one who called the vampire hunter back into town?
I had no choice.
Neither did I. Hello? Can I come out of the bathroom now?
Nigel, how much did you hear?
Not much. Okay, maybe everything.
Supernova.
What galaxy is closest to the Milky Way?
Andromeda.
What is the speed of light?
186,282 miles per second.
Now, what's the distance between the Earth and the Sun?
Ooh, me.
Anyone? Anyone else?
Ooh, me.
Fine. Summer.
About 93 million miles.
All right, class dismissed.
Hey, Summer, you ready to walk home? Almost. Just have to finish my notes. Done. Actually, can we stop by the Astrophysics lab? I want to see if there's any extra work I can do. Summer, not this again. What? I like space. Every time something is bothering you, you get yourself all busy with work, so you don't have to think about it. No, I don't. Honey, when you broke up with Nigel, you self-published a sci-fi novel. Caroline, there's some stuff I need to tell you. You might want to sit down for this. Let me get this straight. Damon and Nick are half vampires and half brothers. Their father was a vampire, their mothers were human, but they only eat animals, so we don't have to worry about them. You and Cali are part alien and have fire powers, and Jazz worked with that vampire hunter V to send all of y'all to another dimension where you met your doppelgangers. That's where you found the little green gremlin that you brought home and it ruined our house. But then you called the vampire hunter to get rid of him, but then she went after Damon, so he had to leave town. But now he's back and he tells you he loves you and he wants you to become a vampire with him. Is that right? Yep, that's about it. Your life is so crazy, it's like a sci-fi soap opera. I'm just really happy I could finally tell you all of this. To be honest, I was a little scared to tell you, but then Nigel found out, so I was like, I might as well. So, have you been to this other planet? No, I only found out a little while ago. How did Nigel handle the whole alien thing? He was actually pretty cool about it and said it wasn't the weirdest thing he's ever seen, since his roommate was a vampire. Speaking of vampires, Damon told you he loved you. And you said nothing back? Well, it all happened so fast. I was like, ooh, this is a sweet moment. And then he sprung the whole vampire thing on me. Then things quickly escalated into an argument, and it's just been weird ever since. But the question is, Summer, do you love him? Well, I mean, I think he's pretty cool, but our relationship is still kind of new, and I think he's just in a different place than I am. Could that have anything to do with you reconciling with, Nigel?
What? That's crazy.
But now that you mention it, I do need to talk to him. Uh-huh. About the gala. The gala. You know, we have to make sure everything is ready. Right. A little higher.
Right here?
Yes, you got it. Do you need more balloons? I think we're good. Then can I have this one?
Yeah?
Yay! I'm gonna call you Filbert, and you need a face.
Well, okay.
All that's left now is to get dressed. You did remember to get a tux, right?
Well, about that.
Nigel?
Sorry, there was just so much going on. I could just be behind the scenes.
But that means I have to do all the presenting now.
Well, this is your moment to shine, no?
Here's your dress, Summer.
Thanks. And do you have the results for the poll?
Yep. Everything is good to go. And thousands of people voted. I think we're gonna have a pretty good turnout today.
Okay, great. Well, you better go get dressed and be back here in less than an hour. It's almost showtime, folks.
Why are the dressing rooms so far from the auditorium at this school?
And I can barely see past this dress.
Ugh. Excuse you.
Sorry, Alex. Wow, you look really nice.
I know. Never gonna change.
Summer, a moment, please.
Oh, yes. How can I help you, Mrs. Knight?
Is that your dress?
Yes. And don't worry, I can get ready fast because this event is gonna go off without a hitch.
I like it. It's classy. Not some gold-foiled flashy number. Don't be late.
Okay, I won't be. If I can stop getting stopped and find the dressing room. Summer, Octavia, let's walk to the dressing room together.
You know where it is?
Yes, it's right over there.
Great, let's go. Wait, is that your dress?
Yes, don't you just love it? Gold is my signature color. I like to stand out.
About that. Thank you for coming, everyone. And remember, Star Frog's DIY Coffee is a proud supporter of this event. And now I would like to present Mrs. Knight.
Alumni, faculty, students, Fabsome besties. Welcome to the annual Alumni Winter Gala. For your entertainment, we would like to open the night with an award ceremony created by the students and voted on by the public. Presenting this evening, Summer Darby. What are you wearing?
Oh, I just, thought this would match the background better.
Over the last few months, thanks to my twin sister Cali, we have been running polls asking all of you to choose your favorite dolls, toys, and characters. So let's get started. In 2021, we asked, which doll line are you most excited for? 17,000 of you voted. The choices were Barbie, Rainbow High, Monster High, OMG, and Disney. And the winner is Barbie with 49%. Thank you. Favorite Barbie line for style. The choices were Barbie Fashionista, Barbie Extra, Barbie Looks, Barbie BMR 1959, and Barbie Style. And the winner is, with 54%, Barbie Fashionistas. Seriously? Me again? Thank you! 3 months ago, you all voted on favorite MGA line for style. The choices were Rainbow High,
OMG, Brats, LOL, Na 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 Surprise. And the winner is, with 59%, Rainbow High.
Oh, wow. This is totally unexpected. Thank you.
Favorite Disney line for style? The choices were Disney Store dolls, Hasbro Disney Princesses, Hasbro Comfy Princesses, Disney Descendants. And with 73%, the winner is Disney Store dolls.
This is perfect. Thank you.
And here's the face-off from the last three for the best 2021 doll line for style between Disney Store dolls, Rainbow High, and Barbie Fashionistas. The winner is, with 61%, Rainbow High!
Love you too.
Best 2021 doll for articulation under $50. I guess that counts us out. Barbie Made to Move with 74%. I have a made to move body, so I'm gonna take this award. Woohoo! Best doll line for the money. Barbie, Rainbow High, Hair Adorables, Hair Amazing, OMG, Disney, and with 66%, the winner is Barbie. Me again! Best mini doll of 2021. Calico Critters, Chelsea by Barbie, LOL Surprise, Hair Adorables, Polly Pocket, and the winner is, with 44%, Chelsea by Barbie. Thank you. Favorite room / playset of 2021. Rainbow High House, Barbie Dream House, OMG House, Miraculous Room, and Balcony Playset. With 59%, the winner is Rainbow High House.
I'm gonna need a bigger house for all these awards.
Favorite mini accessories. Remint, Mini Brands, Shopkins, Real Littles, Charms from Claire's, Barbie accessory packs. With 60%, the winner is Mini Brands. I will be accepting this on behalf of Mini Brands because they don't have feet or hands. Favorite Sommer and Cali side character. Jazz, Alex, Caroline, Sabrina, Grandma. With 50%, the winner is Jazz. Wait, I'm a side character? Favorite Sommer and Cali antagonists. V Hunter, FBI Agent Sherry, Jazz, Alex, Mrs. Knight? Wait, how did that get on there? The winner is V Hunter, who cannot be here tonight for obvious reasons. Favorite Sommer and Cali main character. Nigel, Cali, Damon, Summer. And the winner is, with 70%, me. Oh, thank you. And I promise you, this is a totally honest poll. I did not vote. Favorite Sommer and Cali ship. Cali and Nick, Summer and Damon, Octavia and Nigel, Summer and Nigel, Jazz and Damon. Okay, the winner is, with 70%, Summer and Damon.
Yeah, thanks, I guess.
What are you wearing?
What? Was I supposed to dress up or something?
Yeah, that would have been nice. This night was important to me.
Thank you, and enjoy the rest of your evening.
All right, are we done here?
Aren't you gonna stay? There's like a dance and everything.
I'm not dressed, remember?
Summer, check that poll again. I can't believe Nigel and I didn't win Best Couple.
Sorry, Octavia, but you look fabulous.
Well, were we at least second?
You were
Come on, what place were we?
last?
Oh, who was second? Me and Nigel? Seriously?
Nice dress, Octavia.
Oh, thank you, Mrs. Knight.
Don't you mean thank you, Summer?
Home, sweet home.
Let me call Callie and then get out of this dress. Hey, Callie, do you mind coming over?
I could totally use some sister time. Okay, great.
Perfect timing. That must be Cali. Damon!
Hey, I thought you might want this.
Thanks. Although I don't really feel like the perfect couple right now.
Yeah, things tend to go sideways when you tell someone you love them and they don't feel the same.
It was just a lot all at once, and I needed more time. But you were right. I was the one who called V Hunter, and I shouldn't have held that against you. But I just don't want you to start a precedent of walking out every time we have a disagreement. We should talk it through and try to work it out.
And what? Try to convince you to feel the same way I do? I want to be with someone who chooses me without hesitation.
Sorry, Damon, but you are asking a lot. And a decision like that takes time. And you always said the aging thing didn't matter. What's changed?
You're mortal. Anything can separate us. Sickness, an accident. Summer, if you choose me, we will have nothing but time. We could travel the world together.
Sorry, Damon, but if you're making me choose now, my answer is no.
I gotta go. Later, Summer.
Where's my astrophysics book? Come in.
Hey, I brought cupcakes.
What? You never buy sweets.
Well, Nigel bought them, but I'm taking credit for the delivery.
Ooh, Mia's Munchables?
Yep. So, what's going on?
Damon, I think we just broke up.
And let me guess, you've already read your physics book.
Just the glossary.
Summer, I know what you need. A break from all of this.
Like a weekend getaway?
Exactly. So pack your bags and let's go.
But Cali, where?
To be continued on the next Sommer and Cali.
Aren't you Captain Sisko from Deep Space Nine?
Yes, I am.
I am such a fan. I love sci-fi.
Thank you.
Do you have any contacts that can get me on the show? I could play anything. A Ferengi? Bajoran?
I gotta go.
Vulcan, Cardassian, Klingon, Kelpian, Q! Hey, camera guy, we're gonna need a little light over here. It's just a little dark in that corner. Toya? I didn't get a script. There wasn't one in my dressing room. Do you have another copy? Oh, yeah, that's right. I didn't write one. I mean, I was going to, but then I started playing around with Instagram filters and, time just kind of got away from me. So we're just gonna wing it today.
What do you mean, wing it?
Yeah, I'll just tell you what you're supposed to say.
Well, what am I supposed to say?
I don't know. I haven't thought of it yet. But don't worry, it'll come to me.